guys, we're going to the high radium today with our housemates, including their friends as well. So, nagre-ready na kami. Tapos mag-meet up maya-maya sa... Saan na magkikita? Petrol? Petrol Canada. Yeah. Yee, excited. It's gonna be our first time as well. What? Say hi.
Hi guys. We're going
Where?
to camping.
Camping? Are you sure camping?
Yeah.
We're about to go. What can you say, Liam?
It's just my house. It's just my.
What do you mean it's just your house? What do you mean by that? Travel na lang ko yun.
Oo. Nilibutin natin ng Canada, US,
Mexico.
Mexico. Ay, delikado na. Hindi, pag pumunta ka ng Mexico, dapat may guide ka. May kasama kang upan. Kahit pupahan mo na siya.
Ilalabag ka ate? Ako ate? Ay kuya? Nagsusnow pa dito with snow. Short pa siya. Wrong move. Wala pa man din kaming puffer jacket. We're here. Hindi kami prepared. Naka-jacket lang kami. Hindi namin alam na magsa-snow dito. Kasi mainit na sa Calgary. Ate? Welcome to Radium Hot Spring. We're here.
Pumutot ti break. Pumutot ti break.
Hi, Jibel.
Smile, Jewel!
Wow!
Okay! Okay!
Jewel and Liam.
Angle na, angle.
Gwapo ni Kuya Ruel, ah.
Tira mo lakay.
Bumaba ulit kami. Magpipicture lang dito. Sa bungad lang ng Radium Hot Spring.
Hintayin na talaga ako.
Ang taas, Kuya.
Inakyat ko yan kasi wala. Ano? Oo, tapos yung tayo ko talaga mo basang-basang. Buring.
Picture.
Oh my God!
Hi.
Ate, pagkuhan ka.
Ano? Wait lang, wait.
Dami nila. Wow. The village nila. So cool.
Oh, wow.
Picnic muna kami. Kanina pa kami naghahanap kung saan kami makakain. Buti na lang may nakita kami. Hi, it's raining.
Nandiyan pala, no?
Oopsie. Run, run, run. We just reached our motel, Tyrol. This is our room.
What to watch?
Oh, they have YouTube. We'll be sharing a room with Kuya Robel and Adelea and Liam. It's still raining outside. Yung mga kasama namin sa ibang room sila.
Then he threw up. He tried to say it was food poisoning, but I haven't been able to make love with the lights on since.
Once in a while, you wouldn't need that sob story. No wonder you.
It's a perfectly good cereal. And that's last time I saw it. That's why every time someone has said,
I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
my response has been,
This place. I don't know. The boy's father's somewhere in there. Let's just sneak our way in. But we're not gonna blend in dressed like this.
Instead of my brother creeping around the house.
Yeah. Good morning.
Again,
Where are we going next?
Radium Hot Springs.
And you're still sleepy.
Get up.
Excuse me.
Jacket.
Ooh. Ganda ng view. Look at that.
Second to the last window. Not there. Other side.
Ay, nakalock? Hindi pa nakalock. Hindi nga. Pwedeng pasukan.
Hi, Jewel.
Hi, Jibo. Good morning.
Where's Buster?
Jewel!
Where's Buster?
Nare-radio kami dyan?
Hello, Jibo.
Ataya.
Hindi. Wala nga, baka
Hi, Basta.
Buster can't allowed to go out.
Breakfast.
Me. Saan? Dyan. Anong lasa?
Okay naman, kuya. Sarap naman. Muffin.
Mini.
English muffin.
Hindi na English muffin.
English muffin gagawin.
Wala pa silang Tagalog natin.
Walang
Wala
pagleta.
kasi ano. That's a ham, yeah. That's a ham. Yeah, and cheese. That's a yummy ham.
It was being sad
Bitin yung free breakfast.
Merienda lang to.
Merienda lang.
Kakanamit tayo si Sat?
Bitin ang breakfast. We're gonna go for swimming.
Lahat tayo.
Selfie.
Selfie.
Look at that. Swimming time.
Yan, malamig yan.
Malamig.
Oo.
Saan tayo, kuya?
Doon kayo sa mga init.
Ah.
Pero pwede rin kayo mapunta dyan.
Mm.
Basta!
Walang tao, ate.
Ay, hindi ko yata nila. Oo. Hindi ko nila.
Excited ka na ba maglinis? Matagal na siyang... Matagal na siyang di naliligo eh.
Uy, ang galing mo. Ako din.
Wow, Jiwo. Look at here. Say hi. Hi.
What is like Liam?
Oh, lamig. Asing bag.
Wait, just like me, okay?
Mas matagal pa yung mga lalaki.
Ng tubig. Init. Hot spring.
Baba na si Baba niya. Bali. Matukod na ba din? Ito din ang tapos ko. Hindi na ako.
We went back here dito sa Waterfall Canyon. Kasi yesterday, nagsusnow. So, hindi ko makagat. Today, hindi na. So, makagat kami mamaya.
Kala ko dun sa kapila.
Ang muddy.
Madulas.
Dahan-dahan.
Driver, sabihin mo agad. Sa'yo na, G.
Lamig. Lamig, kuya. Ay, ang ganda. Mahirap maglakad. Ooh, the snow is getting into my shoe now. Hirapan na sila makyat. Malalim.
Taas pa, pag ganun pa.
Oo.